Hi dear Gemini, a very very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is general love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 31st of January. So let's start. Gemini, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see what's happening. Oh, this is Knight of Cups in reverse. They do have love for you, but this love is blocked. They are feeling there's lack of love in this connection, okay? Or lack of emotions in this connection, or lack of emotional balance in this connection with you. I have to clarify the Knight of Cups in reverse as the feelings. Let me clarify the Knight of Cups in reverse. Blockage in love, there's certain blockage. Hermit could be dealing with the Virgo, Three of Pentacles, oh god, and the Queen of Pentacles. Earth the energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, high Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, and Virgo, the Hermit card is here. So they feel like being silent right now is, they are building their empire in silence. They feel like right now silence is the best option. They feel like working on themselves, their work, their job, their money, and this is a very difficult thing to describe, that they do have emotions for you, but they are not showing it to you. They are keeping it to themselves because they feel like right now this is not the right time to show their emotions to you. Right now this is right time to work on themselves, on their work, on their money, on their job, financial status. Okay, let me see what you feel for them, Gemini, your feelings for this person. Four of Wands, you feel like this person is someone you whom you can get married to, or you are already married. It could be also possible like you are already married or committed to this person. You feel like having a committed relationship with them, or a stable relationship with them, and or a marriage with them. So I have to clarify the Four of Wands as what you feel for this person. You feel like having a stable connection with them, having a long-term relationship with them. Okay, this, see the ten of Pentacles just fall off. Ten of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups and the Eight of Cups. Okay, so Gemini, you feel like out of all the options that you have in your love life right now, okay, this one is the most stable option that you have, okay, and you feel like working on this connection with them, working on this particular connection, because you have choices in love. So Gemini, you have options in your love, you have choices in your love, and you choose this person to be in your life. You choose this person to be your forever, happily ever after kind of, and you feel like working on this connection is mandatory. You feel like working on this relationship with is mandatory if you want this person for a long term. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, heavy earth energies that I'm getting here. Everyone is like loving the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn people these days. What is happening? So Gemini, you feel like this person is your happily ever after. You feel like working on this connection with them, okay. I feel like for some of you are keeping your options open, although you feel like this is your person whomsoever you're dealing with, but you're keeping your options open and working on yourself as well, okay, working on your stability as well, and you're choosing this person to be with. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Hierophant, higher level of commitment. This person wants a higher level of commitment from you. This person wants something huge with you. This person, you could be dealing with a Taurus again. I'm getting Taurus here. So this person wants to have a long term connection with you, have a committed connection with you. And I have to clarify the hierophant. Higher level of commitment, soul connection. But right now, this person is not talking to you. They're working on themselves. They're working on behind the scenes things. Let me clarify the hierophant. Page of Pentacles, the Star, Two of Cups. Yes, this person wants a higher level of level of commitment from you. Although I feel like this person wants to start to work on this connection and then slowly but surely go towards the hierophant. Yeah, I mean the towards the uh, commitment energy or higher level of commitment energy. So what this person? Okay, there was a moon in the background. I'm sorry. So hierophant is clarified with the page of pentacles, the moon, the star. They want a higher level, they feel they want a higher level of commitment. I understand that, but they are very very scared of something. They are very very scared of some kind of unknown fear. They are dealing with some kind of blockages. I told you this person is dealing with some kind of blockages. Uh, Something is stopping them to come towards you. There is something, there is some kind of fear, there is some kind of unknown fear that they are dealing with, that you might reject them, or you are not on the same page as they are, or you might not understand what they want from you, or you might not understand that healing is required for this connection to work out in the long term. This person is right now holding back their emotions, uh, their expectations, everything. Right now this person is not ready because they are dealing with some kind of fear. Okay, could be dealing with the Cancer here or Aquarius here. They want to have a soul connection with you. Okay, where you can understand each and everything that they are dealing with, they are dealing with, or that they are going through right now. Higher level of higher level of spiritual level of commitment, you can say. Not on the, they want to deal with things on a deeper level, not just on the surface level. It's like they want you to understand things without even saying anything. This is what I'm getting here. Okay, let me see what you want from this person, Gemini. Death, rebirth. You want this person to connect this, to start or restart this connection. So you are feeling like, Gemini, you guys have gone through a lot, and there was a separation, or there is a period of separation that you guys are going through right now, and you want this person to reconnect with you and start this connection all over with you, right? You want a rebirth in this connection with this person. Could be dealing with a Scorpio here. You don't want this person to end things with you. You don't want to end this relationship permanently. You want a brand new start. Let me clarify. The Nine of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Yes, you definitely wants a marriage, a commitment, a long term thing with this person. Okay, but this person is holding back because they are feeling like the healing is not done yet. There is something, there is a blockage in their emotions, there's a blockage in their intuition, there's something that is stopping them from giving you this kind of higher level of commitment. Okay, so this person is not ready for this, a level of commitment, or you can say marriage. But you on the other hand is stuck on the marriage part. It's stuck on the commitment part, is stuck on this soulmate kind of energy part, but they are going through some kind of shit right now in their life. You want them to stop worrying excessively. You want them to open up to you. You want them a beautiful soulmate connection with them, and you want a marriage with them. You want a successful and victorious connection with them. You want to be successful with this person. Okay, and you want them this person to come out of their head and talk to you and tell you that you are their soulmate and you are the one for them, and you are kind of the apple of their eye. It's like you want all the lovey-dovey things from this particular person right now. Although they have ended, although this connection has ended, might be in the recent past, or you guys are right now in a separation period right now, but you are very hopeful and you want this person badly in your life. All you want from this is marriage, 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 commitment, marriage, commitment, marriage. And if you guys are already married and you were separated, now you want them to, redo the vows with you. Okay. Let's see what to expect from this person till the end of January. The roles can be reversed anytime. It's like it could be you who is ending things with them, but they are adamant to get you back. There's something that is not working out here, Gemini. There's something. Let me see what to expect from this person till end of January. 10 of Wands. I don't see action, but I don't see this person completely giving up on this situation. They are not taking any action, but they are not giving up, not ready to give up on this situation. This person is feeling like this situation is getting burdensome, but they are not dropping the weight. Let me clarify. Healing is required here. Deep healing is required here. 5 of Wands and the 7 of Pentacles and the 9 of Pentacles. Yes. This person is going through some kind of internal shit right now. They are waiting, just waiting, and they are just focusing on themselves right now, on their well-being, on their healing, on their everything. The way I'm not able to do that right now because of the cold weather. I hate cold. I hate cold. Yeah. So I don't see any kind of action, and if there's an action, I feel like you guys are going to fight only, and that will result in more frustration and more anger and more everything stupid. So it's basically, I feel like I don't feel like this person is going towards you, coming towards you, but they are not giving up on this situation. I don't see them. I don't see them giving up on this situation as of now. It's like 10 and 5. It's like 15 and 6. Yeah. Okay. They want to have. They want you to have an understanding, higher level of understanding with them, that they want to work on this connection, but not right now. Right now is not the right time for both of you. This is what they want you to understand. They are feeling some kind of lack of love. There's some kind of blockages. There's some kind of fears, anxiousness, lots of overthinking. They just want to focus on themselves for the time being. Although I don't see them dropping the weight, although I don't see them giving up on you, but right now they want to shift their focus on themselves only. Okay. Let's see what is the advice for you guys, Gemini. Walk away. Right now, the universe wants me to tell you that walking away right now from this connection or from this situation is the only solution that can help you in getting what you want in your life. So right now, walking away is the only solution because things are not that much positive as you are hoping that they are, or as you are expecting that they are, anticipating that yes, they are, things are good here. No, no, things are not good here. Things are not as good as you are like trying to make them. Gemini, let me clarify the 8 of Cups for you. King of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, and the 7 of Wands. Again, healing. The guidance for you is heal and walk away for the situation for the time being at least, and take a stand for yourself. Okay, you are not taking a stand for yourself. You are constantly poking this person. You are constantly throwing this person in this direction of not coming towards you but going away from you, because you are constantly this. I need a commitment. I need something. I need something. I need a reassurance. I need that. You are throwing. You are just pushing this person away from you by doing all this shit. So the advice for you is to walk away. Walking away right now is the only solution to your problem, Gemini. So try to understand, okay? Give it a break. Heal. Healing is required. Healing is the most important thing here. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.